Hello guys, in this little video I will show you how to remove driver's side airbag or steering wheel airbag. And as you can see, this part started to peel out, and this one is especially bad. And to remove your driver's side airbag, first of all, make sure you disconnect the battery. And I just disconnected my battery like 5 minutes ago. You will need something like this. I'm using Torx screwdriver for this. And to remove the airbag, you need to push this Torx or tool like that in this hole, like you can see it right here. And now I got screwdriver inserted in that hole, and then you have to kind of push on the spring and your steering wheel airbag will pop out. It's probably better to have help for this procedure. Let me just put my phone really quickly because I need 2 hands for this operation. And then you just have to carefully remove your airbag, and then you have to disconnect it. And to show you what you have to push with your screwdriver, you basically have to insert this screwdriver in the hole, and see, when you're pushing it, you're basically pressing this spring, and this is basically how your airbag is locked. After removing the airbag, you can unscrew a few Torx here, and I think it's right here. Okay, now this part is ready to be cleaned out. I know some people are using a plastic dip to repaint these surfaces. I don't want to repaint it because I think a plastic dip is a much softer paint that BMW uses. So I'm just gonna clean it out and I'm gonna leave it like this. This airbag removal procedure will work for both sports wheel and also for regular one. I have a sports with a round airbag wheel. Everything back. Let's just make sure my battery disconnected, because I don't want to have airbag in my face. This is the final look. I think it looks way cleaner than it used to be. And basically the hardest part was to remove the airbag, and I spent about 45 minutes rubbing all these plastic parts with rubbing alcohol and microfiber cloth. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned and make sure you like this video, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.